All right, lessons from the first night camping solo. It's way creepier at night, and it takes way longer to do everything. But here's the little campsite. The tent did very well. Got the car. Beautiful wilderness. Let's go. 7:50 a.m. Starting the hike from the campsite to the trailhead. Let's see how long this takes. (8:10). See how long it takes. About 4 miles from here. Whew. We're here. Saw some trout splashing already. Man. Beautiful. Let's see if I could catch them. 9:56. Less than 2 hours. That's pretty good. Way faster than I thought.
One eternity later.
Alright, no luck with bobber and fly style. So, going to Old Faithful, a spoon with a little bit of some salmon egg on it for a little extra some. Let's see if this catches anything.
A few moments later.
He's pretty big too. I sight casted this guy. I just watched him swimming along the bank. Finally got one. My gosh. He's pretty big. He's pretty big. Can't believe he's not taking out drag. Man, he's a nice fish. Gotta get my pliers. What is this guy? Look at this guy. Oh man, what a beauty. Those cool markings under his chin there. Those spots. I think this is cutthroat. That might be my first cutthroat. He's pretty big. Oh man, what a beautiful fish. That is a PR, I think. Oh yeah. Let's watch him go. You ready? Man, look at that tail. You're not ready. Come on. You're okay. I think this is the biggest fish I've seen in here so far. Kind of surprised I got him to bite. It's been a while. Didn't catch anything. There he goes. There he goes. Sweet! Hooked up. Hooked up again. Gets another cutthroat, I think, by this cool dam. Pretty neat. Beautiful fish. There he goes. Catch you later. Number 2. No skunk today. Hooked up with a little guy in this tiny creek here, but he's really cool looking. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Look at that. What is this one? Look at those coloring. Pink belly. It's got like pink spots, yellow spots. So cool looking. So cool looking. Little fish number 3 today. You! Number 4, little guy. Cool coloring though, my goodness. The whole bottom, his whole belly looks really red. Really cool looking. Wow. Not bad actually. A little bit bigger than I remember. A little bit bigger than I thought. What is it that's so pretty like this? I don't know the species. Brook trout or... No. I think this is a bigger version of what I caught in that little creek. Look at that cool orange on his belly. Whoa. I want to get hooked. Really cool belly. Really beautiful colors. Beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful. Here we go. Got another one. Oh, Feisty. Let's get the pliers. Oh man. Oh man. Come here. Beauty. Come here, baby. Oh, there he goes. Self-release. That works. Cool. I think that's number 6 that has been landed. What a friggin' beautiful place. My gosh. Wanted to film one of them outros. Just noticed there's stuff all over the lens. I hope that didn't mess up all the footage. Wow. Anyway, that's Lake Constantine in 4K from my point of view. Yo, so beautiful up there. I thought any second I'd see like a bear or a moose or something going to get a drink of water, but nothing. Did catch some trout though. I think I caught maybe 7 or 8. Had a bunch of bites, and I missed a lot of them. That's okay. I think the first 2 fish were cutthroat, and the rest of them were brook trout, according to another fisherman that was up there, but I don't know. Let's see, shout out to my homie David. Hooked me up with this Go Pro Hero4. It's been a lot of fun messing around with this thing. I wanted to get some footage of me actually hooking up with a fish though, but every time I turned on the GoPro, just jinxed myself. So we gotta fix that. That's no good. And shout out to the girlfriend Naomi. Miss you. But in your face. Got to that lake in under 2 hours. You thought it would take me 4. Endurance athlete. Well. Oh shit. Cut, cut, cut.